check out this Corvette here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1981 model year. Bright red in color, dark charcoal leather interior. 5.7 liter or 350 underneath the hood, paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. An original red car. 25 paint coat. Dark charcoal, I guess black if you will, leather interior. You can see paint shows well. There's a few little spots where previous owners touched it up. See a couple right there. Kind of see those. Another little one up here. I'm being pretty fussy. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Have not had the compressor kick on and off. Just so you know, also power windows, power locks. You want to check out the still pictures so you can see this car's underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's that black leather interior, of course, with the bucket seats. Center console. AM, FM, 8-track. We're going to try that out when we get in there also. As far as the T-tops, they are the mirrored T-tops right there, and you'll be able to see them in the pictures in the car also. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Power antenna back here is in working order. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you're going to see the still pictures. Looks like there's something kind of etched in the paint back here too. I don't know if I can get that to show up. Really tough, and again, kind of being fussy. There you can see there's two little spots there and one here. But there, see that one? Like I said, it's just like there's kind of something etched in the paint a little bit. Fun one for your local roll-ins, car shows, local cruise-ins. All right, let's fire this up. It's a good sounding car. Tilt the column. We'll try out the headlights too. Make sure they're in working order. So again, 350 paired with a 4-speed. Blower fan does work. Windshield wipers work. And there you can see stereo. It's a radio. Let's go ahead. Try the 8-track. There you go. Sly and the Family Stone. Check out the other gauges. It was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp to be up much. Like fuel gauge went up. Oil pressure gauge does not appear to be working. Excuse me, oil temp, cold start, oil pressure is good. Sorry about that. Tachometer working. Clean Carfax, actual miles, no accidents indicated. Power seat, that is also in working order. And then take a look at the seat. Actually quite nice condition. Leather showing a little bit of age or wear there. Get some good leather conditioner on it. Those seats will be fine. Like I said, good sounding car. A little rumble coming out of that 350. Go ahead and pop the hood. Let's try the headlights too. Headlights working fine.
Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go, 350. 4-barrel, power steering, power brakes. And again, AC, but I've not had that compressor kicked on and off. Appears it's all intact. Aluminum radiator. Nice shroud. Looks like a newer compressor. '81 model year Chevrolet Corvette. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.